Now one more topic in logs. The question is asked like this, that how many zeros are there after decimal before first non-zero digit in a number. Let's take an example. Let's say we have 2 by 3 raised to the power 400. Alright, so what we do in this? So first I'll give you the theoretical aspect. Just make sure that the log is calculated correctly and you take the integer part of that number. Just the integer part. Alright. So for example, if I say that log of n to the base 10 is minus 5.48. Alright, then the number of zeros after decimal before first non-zero digit is straight away equal to 5. Remember? See, when we did number of digits, what we said was it is the integer part plus 1. Here we are only talking about number of zeros after decimal before the first non-zero digit. It is simply the integer part of this log. Forget the negative sign, forget the decimal part, just the integer part. That is the number of zeros after decimal. Alright. So fundamentally we still have to calculate the log. So for example, for this number, if I calculate log of 2 by 3 to the power 400 to the base 10, this will be equal to, the power comes outside, so 400, and then log 2 by 3 to the base 10. Now what will happen here? So we will get 400. Now because it is division, it will separate like this, log 2 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. And remember, log 3 and log 2 would be given, so nothing to worry about. I'll write again here, log 2 to the base 10 is 0.301, and by now you would remember this. Log 3 to the base 10 is 0.477. Put them here, you will get 400 into log 2 to the base 10 is 0.301 minus log 3 to the base 10 is 0.477. If you subtract, you get 400 into minus, so it is 0.176. So if you multiply by 400, it will become minus 70.4. Right? This directly gives us the answer of our question, and that is 70. So 70 is the answer of this question. So we can say that there are 70 zeros after decimal before first non-zero digit in 2 by 3 raised to the power 400. So the answer is 70 zeros. Alright, let's take one more example just to understand that in a better manner. What you have to remember is that any number which is less than 1, which is a fraction, the log of that number will be negative. In that log, just look at the integer part of that log value. Right? That will straight away give you the number of zeros after decimal before the first non-zero digit. Suppose it is, let's say 5 by 6 to the power 24. Alright, so what we do is we take log of 5 by 6 to the power 24 to the base 10. So it is 24 times log 5 by 6 to the base 10. It is 24 times log 5 to the base 10 minus log 6 to the base 10. Now 24 times 5 can be written as 10 by 2 to the base 10 minus log 6 can be written as 2 into 3 to the base 10. Now if you open it, it will become 24. 10 by 2 is log 10 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10 minus. Now this will become log 2 to the base 10 plus log 3 to the base 10. So here it will come log 2 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10. Put the values carefully. So it is 24 into log 10 to the base 10 is 1 minus, this is 0.301, this is also 0.301, so multiplied by 2 minus log 3 to the base 10 is 0.477. So this comes out to be 24 into 1 minus, this is 0.602 minus 0.477. So this is equal to 24 into, if you add and subtract, these two together will become, so 1 minus 1.079. So it is 24 into minus 0.079. Alright, so multiplied by 24. So it is minus 1.896. So look at here, the integer part is only 1. So that means 5 by 6 raised to 24, the number of zeros before first non-zero digit after decimal is just 1, right? Is just 1. That is the answer of that question. Alright, so here we have completed all the topics of log.